We often treat our cars like mobile storage units, tossing in everything starting with electronics to groceries without a second thought. But what we leave behind in our vehicles can have serious consequences. Leaving certain items in your car can lead to theft, damage, or even safety risks, making it essential to rethink what you store there. Did you know that after 1 hour, the interior temperature of these cars reached an average of 100 degrees Fahrenheit? This rapid heat buildup can ruin your belongings and create dangerous situations, especially for sensitive electronics or perishable goods. In this video, we'll walk through the items you should never leave in your car and explain why understanding these risks can save you from costly mistakes and help protect your possessions. But before we go any further, yes, this is an AI voice, but a real person wrote this. I earned my financial freedom, and I'm not doing this for money. I don't like narrating videos, so I use an AI voice. Ignore that the voice is AI. The video is worth it. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Electronics. Leaving electronics in your car can be a recipe for disaster. Devices like laptops, tablets, and phones are sensitive to extreme temperatures. On hot days, the internal components can overheat, potentially leading to permanent damage. Similarly, in colder temperatures, batteries can lose their charge or fail altogether. These gadgets can also attract thieves, leading to break-ins even if the device is hidden under a seat or in the glove compartment. In addition to the risk of theft and damage, leaving electronics in your car can affect your privacy. Devices often contain sensitive personal information, which can be compromised if they are stolen. Be it a work laptop full of confidential documents or a smartphone with saved passwords, your data is vulnerable when left unattended in a car. Medications. Many people carry medications with them in case of emergencies, but leaving them in your car can reduce their effectiveness. Most medications need to be stored at room temperature, and leaving them in a hot car can cause them to break down or lose their potency. Leaving medications in your car can reduce their effectiveness, as most need to be stored at room temperature. Heat can break them down, and cold can cause some to freeze. Insulin and EpiPens are especially sensitive to temperature changes. To avoid degradation, always bring your medications inside, even for short errands. In colder months, medications can also freeze, rendering them useless. For these reasons, it's always best to bring your medications inside, no matter how quick the errand. Important documents. It might seem convenient to store important documents, like your car's title, insurance papers, or even your passport in your glove compartment. Although leaving these items in your car poses a significant security risk. If your car is stolen or broken into, identity theft could follow. The information contained in these documents can be used by thieves to commit fraud, apply for credit, or access your personal accounts. Even lesser documents, like mail with personal details, should be kept out of your vehicle. If identity theft occurs, it can take months or even years to resolve the fallout, so it's better to minimize the risk by keeping such papers at home or in a secure location. Food and drinks. It's tempting to leave snacks and bottled water in the car for convenience, but this practice can lead to unwanted consequences. Water. Food items left behind can spoil or attract pests, leading to unpleasant odors or even infestations inside your vehicle. Not only does food spoil, but some items can also melt and create a mess. Chocolate, for example, can easily melt on a warm day, leaving sticky stains on your seats. Avoid the hassle of cleaning up by taking food and drinks with you when you leave your car. Aerosol cans. Aerosol cans, such as deodorants or cleaning sprays, should never be left in your car. Explode. Even on a mild day, the interior of your car can reach temperatures that are dangerous for aerosol products. Beyond the risk of explosion, these chemicals can also leak if the can is compromised, creating harmful fumes inside your vehicle. This is especially concerning if you have children or pets who ride in the car frequently. To avoid accidents and chemical exposure, always remove aerosol cans when you exit the car. Valuables and cash. While it may seem obvious, many people still leave valuables and cash in their cars. This can include anything from jewelry and expensive sunglasses to cameras or even large amounts of cash. Cars are one of the first places thieves target, and even something as small as a loose coin visible on your dashboard can encourage a break-in. Even if your car is locked and equipped with an alarm, it's not foolproof. A determined thief can break in, causing damage to your vehicle and stealing your valuables. It's best to avoid this risk altogether by taking your possessions with you. Sunscreen and cosmetics. Sunscreen and cosmetic products are often forgotten in cars after a day at the beach or an impromptu shopping trip. Unfortunately, these products can degrade quickly when left in high temperatures. Sunscreen, in particular, loses its effectiveness after prolonged heat exposure, meaning you won't get the protection you need when you apply it. Cosmetics like lipstick, foundation, and mascara can also be affected by temperature changes. These products can melt or separate in heat, and freezing temperatures can alter their consistency. To maintain the quality of your skincare and makeup, store them in a cool, controlled environment, not your car. Gasoline or fuel containers. While it might seem practical to keep an extra container of gasoline in your trunk, this can be incredibly dangerous. Fuel is highly flammable, and in the heat, it can expand, creating pressure inside the container. Even if your car isn't parked in the sun, keeping fuel in your car is never a safe practice. If you need to transport gasoline, make sure you do so in a proper container and remove it from your car as soon as possible. Lighters and matches. Lighters and matches are another item that can become a hazard when left inside a hot car. Lighters can easily overheat and explode when exposed to high temperatures. Even though matches don't explode, they can ignite if they rub against certain surfaces, creating a fire risk. Even on mild days, the interior of your car can reach temperatures that make these items dangerous to store. If you carry them for camping or emergencies, it's best to bring them inside or store them in a more temperature-controlled environment. Wet clothing and towels. After a trip to the pool or beach, it might seem easier to leave your wet towels or bathing suits in the car. Although damp items can lead to mold growth and unpleasant odors if left in a confined space for too long. Moisture in the fabric provides the perfect environment for bacteria and mildew to thrive, which can affect not only your car's interior, but also your health. Once mold starts to form, it can be difficult to completely remove, leading to costly cleaning and repairs. To avoid these problems, always take wet items out of your car and let them dry properly. Pets. Though it may seem obvious, leaving pets in the car, even for a short period, is extremely dangerous. Cars can heat up rapidly, even on cooler days, putting your pet at risk of heat stroke. Dogs, in particular, are more sensitive to heat than humans, and their temperature can rise quickly in a hot car, leading to fatal consequences. Leaving windows slightly open does little to alleviate the heat, and the best course of action is to leave your pet at home if they can't come inside with you. Your pet's safety should always be a top priority. Perishable groceries. Many people make the mistake of leaving groceries in their car while running errands. Perishable items like dairy, meat, and frozen foods can spoil quickly if not refrigerated promptly. In warm weather, bacteria can multiply rapidly on these items, increasing the risk of foodborne illness. Even if the weather is cool, prolonged exposure to fluctuating temperatures can reduce the shelf life of your groceries. It's always best to take perishable goods straight home, or use a cooler to keep them fresh. Musical instruments. Musical instruments, particularly those made of wood, can be severely damaged by extreme temperatures. Heat can cause the wood to warp, crack, or separate, while cold temperatures can affect the tuning and overall integrity of the instrument. Instruments are often expensive and delicate, so it's crucial to store them in a stable, climate-controlled environment. Leaving your guitar or violin in a hot car can also damage its strings and other components, leading to costly repairs. To keep your instruments in good condition, always take them inside after use. Children's toys. Children often leave toys scattered around the car, but it's a good idea to take them inside when not in use. Certain toys, especially those made of plastic, can melt or become deformed in high temperatures. Toys with batteries are also at risk of leaking or even exploding when left in a hot environment. Beyond the risk to the toys themselves, leaving them in the car can also make cleaning and organizing more difficult. A clutter-free car is safer and more comfortable for everyone who rides in it. Plants. While it may seem harmless to leave a potted plant in your car, doing so can cause harm to the plant and potentially create a mess. Extreme temperatures in a vehicle can either overheat or freeze the plant, affecting its health. Heat can cause dehydration, wilting, and sunburn on the leaves, while cold can lead to frost damage or shock, causing the plant to die. To add to temperature concerns, leaving plants in your car could cause soil to spill, creating a difficult-to-clean mess. This not only leads to more work, but can also clog air vents or damage your vehicle's interior. Always bring plants inside when you're done with your errands to ensure their longevity and avoid extra cleaning. Batteries. Batteries, particularly lithium-ion ones, should not be left in a car for extended periods. Exposure to heat can lead to battery degradation, reducing their lifespan and efficiency. In some cases, high temperatures can even cause batteries to leak or swell, increasing the risk of fire or explosion. On the flip side, cold weather can make batteries lose their charge faster. If you leave spare batteries in your car during winter, you may find them unusable when you need them the most. It's always best to store batteries in a temperature-controlled environment, especially if they're rechargeable or used in expensive devices. Musical CDs and vinyl records. For music lovers who keep their CDs or vinyl records in the car, extreme temperatures can be their worst enemy. Heat can cause CDs to warp or melt slightly, rendering them unplayable. Vinyl records are even more susceptible to heat damage, as they can become warped beyond repair if left in a hot car for too long. Cold weather can also affect these items by making them brittle, increasing the chance of them cracking or shattering when handled. Given that many of these items may have sentimental or collectible value, it's important to store them in a safe, temperature-controlled environment instead of your car. Artwork. Transporting artwork can be risky if left in a car for too long, especially pieces that are sensitive to temperature and humidity. Heat can cause the paint or ink to crack or bubble, while cold temperatures can lead to condensation, which could ruin the art. These environmental changes are particularly harmful to valuable or delicate works that cannot be easily replaced. Also, the risk of theft is high, as visible artwork in your car can attract attention. Art lovers should always prioritize proper care and avoid leaving any pieces in their car for extended periods. Protecting your artwork is easier when you bring it inside after transporting it. Fire extinguishers. While keeping a fire extinguisher in your car might seem like a safety precaution, it can actually be dangerous if left exposed to high heat. Fire extinguishers are pressurized, and when they get too hot, they can explode or malfunction. This not only ruins the extinguisher, but can also cause injury or damage to your car's interior. Cold temperatures, on the other hand, can affect the chemicals inside, making the extinguisher less effective. If you keep one in your vehicle for emergencies, make sure it's stored in a place where it won't be exposed to extreme temperatures, like under a seat or in the trunk during extreme weather conditions. Sporting equipment. Leaving sporting equipment in your car, such as golf clubs, tennis rackets, or bicycles, can lead to unnecessary wear and tear. Heat can warp or weaken certain materials, especially composites or plastics, which are often used in modern equipment. Similarly, cold temperatures can make these materials more brittle, increasing the risk of cracks or breaks. Aside from the damage to the equipment itself, visible gear in your car can also attract thieves. High-value items like golf clubs or specialized sporting gear are expensive to replace, so it's better to remove them after use rather than leave them vulnerable to theft and temperature extremes. Canned beverages. Keeping canned beverages in your car may seem convenient, but it can lead to a mess and wasted drinks. In hot weather, the liquid inside cans can expand, potentially causing the can to burst or leak. This not only ruins the beverage, but also creates a sticky mess that's difficult to clean up in colder temperatures. The liquid inside cans can freeze, causing the can to expand and eventually burst. Even if the can doesn't break, freezing can alter the taste and quality of the beverage. To avoid these problems, take your canned drinks with you when you leave your car. Cleaning supplies. Household cleaning supplies, especially those containing chemicals like bleach or ammonia, should not be left in a hot car. High temperatures can cause these chemicals to evaporate or leak, creating toxic fumes that are harmful to breathe. In some cases, pressurized bottles could burst, causing a hazardous spill that requires deep cleaning to remove. Even natural cleaning products can lose their effectiveness or spoil when exposed to extreme temperatures. To keep your car and your health safe, always store cleaning products in a cool, dry place rather than in your vehicle. Glasses and sunglasses. Many people leave their sunglasses in their car for convenience, but this can lead to issues over time. Extreme heat can cause plastic frames to warp and may even affect the lenses, leading to distorted vision. If you leave glasses with metal frames in the car, they can become too hot to wear comfortably. In colder conditions, the lenses of your glasses may develop condensation or fog up, making them difficult to use. Over time, this can lead to permanent damage to your lenses or frames. To keep your glasses in good condition, it's best to bring them inside when you're not driving. Keep your car safe and your belongings protected. Your car is a tool for transportation, not storage. Leaving certain items behind may seem convenient, but the risks often outweigh the benefits. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll not only protect your personal belongings, but also safeguard your health and vehicle. Take the time to double-check your car before heading inside. It's a small step that can save you from big headaches down the road. So, next time you park, ask yourself, are you leaving anything behind that could lead to trouble? Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description